Introduction to pet sitting. Topics to be covered. What is pet sitting? Scope of pet sitting in the UK. Roles of a pet sitter. What is pet sitting? Pet sitters look after other people's pets, while their owners are at work or otherwise away from home. They usually visit customers' homes once or twice a day to walk and feed their pet animals. Others provide a home boarding service, where pets are looked after in the pet sitter's own home. Some pet sitters also provide a house sitting service, bringing in the post, putting out bins or watering houseplants, while the owner is away from home. Pet sitting can involve looking after a wide range of animals to include cats, dogs, rabbits and guinea pigs and much more. Pet sitting has much to offer as a career. Whether you have just learned of this industry or have been aware of it for some time, it is urged to consider the potential a pet sitting business can hold. Potential for self-employment. For providing a needed community service. For creating the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. For significant profits. Scope of pet sitting in the UK. According to an industry report, there is evidence of a continuing trend for UK adults to take holidays within the UK, known as staycations. This could impact on demand for pet sitters and home boarding services, especially if holidaymakers staying in the UK are able to take their pets on holiday with them. The UK was one of the top 3 holiday destinations chosen and remained in the top 3 locations preferred by survey respondents who were considering destinations for future holidays. Also, research suggests that more than 3/4 of UK adults, 77%, have been on or are planning a UK staycation. A reputed news outlet reported that people were abandoning their pets in order to go on holiday. Some owners were getting friends or relatives to hand their pet into the charity as a stray, with the owner collecting them around a fortnight later, while others were giving their pets up permanently. Single-person households are a key market for pet sitters. According to statistics collected, of the 27 million households in the UK, almost 8 million, or 29%, were single-person households. The number of single-person households is expected to increase by around 163,000 per year to 2031. There were almost 4,200 home boarding and pet sitting services listed in the UK, compared to over 3,200 in last year, indicating the increasingly competitive nature of the sector. Roles of a pet sitter. The roles and responsibilities of a pet sitter in relation to the client's property whilst pet sitting. Lone working. Staying overnight at the client's property. Security of property and keys. Closing and locking of doors, windows and pet flaps. Types of items or information that should be kept secure, keys, written information regarding the client's house or dog and alarm codes. How to carry keys whilst in use and keep safe when not in use. Safe and secure storage of any written information, client's requirements or contact details and alarm codes. Not divulging personal information, client's whereabouts, alarm codes and contact details, where a spare key is kept to third parties. Use of client's property and items in accordance with clients' and manufacturers' recommendations. Other duties may include answering the phone and taking messages, collecting post or newspaper, refilling garden bird feeders, putting out and or bringing in bins, watering plants. Roles and responsibilities of a pet sitter in relation to animal health and welfare whilst pet sitting. Access to a vehicle, to be fit for purpose and maintained, in case of routine or emergency vet trip, or walking a dog in a different location. Husbandry tasks, feeding, cleaning, maintaining accommodation. Exercise. All animals handled using the correct methods and equipment, safe procedures for moving and transporting animals, and complying with legislation and codes of practice.